This is Nissan Qashqai 2014. It just came in, and customer complained that the car doesn't move and goes into limp. So when I scanned the car, I got this fault code here. As you can see, the fault code is P0471-29, and the description is turbine upstream pressure 2. So we look at the fault code, and it's associated to this pipe here. As you can see, this pipe. So we had to replace the pipe. To replace this pipe, the pipe is quite in a difficult place, which is right down there, connected to the turbo, and then come in here. So and here, come here, that's the pressure sensor here. So what I do to take it out is, first of all, you need to get a jack. You need to get a jack under the car to support the engine. Get a jack under the car to support the engine, and then remove the engine mount. Remove the engine mount, and then lower the jack to lower the engine so that you can get access to the pipe. The pipe is right down here. It's got 11. You use 11 spanner to loose the pipe from there. Then it's got a clip on the sensor here. This pipe, as you can see, is completely blocked. I tried to blow air into it, it won't pass through. So I replaced the pipe, and then I replaced the pipe and run the test again on with the sensor, with the scanner, and there was no more fault code. That resolved the problem, and the car drives all right. No more fault code, and the problem is solved. Thank you very much. That's the end of the video.